Right, everyone, this is the Monoprice Voxel. I wanted to create this video real quick because I was looking it up forever because I wanted to get into 3D printing and I couldn't find anything on it. And the reason I actually like it is it does have this enclosed design, which is super nice for me because I have a little kitten and he's curious. And these things get really, really hot. I think right now my nozzle head is 210 degrees centigrade. And my bed is about 45-50 degrees centigrade, so I mean that's twice the boiling temperature of water for the nozzle at least. And I didn't want him to go and touch it. Let's see, he might come in here eventually. But anyway, so here's the first print that it has you print off. Like honestly, you can take this out of the box, you take out the wrapping, that's it, and then you hit print and it wants you to print this off first. Now, this was done in like 9 minutes, and so you can see like there's a little bit of a little guy right there, a little bit on the corners, a little bit on the bottom, but besides that, look at the quality. Like that's a pretty good quality. I was not expecting that from a 3D printer. Last time I used these were in high school, and trust me, they were not nearly as good. So right now I've begun on my second print, and you guys might be able to tell here from the image what it is. I'll go ahead and take a picture of it afterwards, because right now it's kind of a secret. But man, this thing's really nice, really awesome. It's pretty small. I mean, only this 5 by 9 by 5.9 inches. But I really enjoyed it, so if any of you guys have questions about it, just let me know. There are a few important details about it, such as these are my other filaments. They're really nice. I've got some PETGs and another PLA because I'm going to print off some miniatures for my Dungeons & Dragons campaign that I do. But they do not fit in here. You have to buy special filament to fit into this little compartment. It's pretty tiny. And Monoprice is the one who sells it. I've heard that even if you get a 5 kilogram, that it sticks out too far, so it won't fit in. But you can easily just get a spool holder and then have them feed in like that. You'll just have to have the door open, which is fine, because I mean, my cat might be interested in it, but I don't think he's going to do anything too bad, right, buddy? Huh, Mick? Yeah. I don't think he's going to get into it too bad. So anyways, if anyone has any questions, just let me know, because I was definitely lost when I was first looking at this. But honestly, it's easy, it's simple, and I love it.